Filing personal taxes in Canada involves reporting your income, claiming deductions and credits, and paying any taxes owed. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand how to file your personal taxes in Canada. You must file a tax return if you owe taxes. You are eligible for a refund. Even if you don't owe taxes, you may still want to file to receive refunds for overpaid taxes, GST, HST credits, or child benefits. You earned income from employment, self-employment, or other sources, rental income, investments. You want to claim benefits such as the Canada Child Benefit, CCB, or GST, HST credit. Even if you had little or no income, you may still need to file for various credits or benefits. Before you can file, collect all the necessary documents related to your income and deductions. Common documents include T4, for employees. This shows your wages, salaries, and taxes withheld by your employer. T5, for investment income such as dividends or interest. T3, for income from trusts, such as mutual funds. T4A, T4E, or T4RSP, for other types of income, pension, unemployment benefits, or RRSP withdrawals. Receipts for deductions and credits. Keep receipts for medical expenses, charitable donations, childcare, tuition, T2202, etc. RRSP contribution receipts. If you contributed to a registered retirement savings plan, RRSP, this reduces your taxable income. Other documents. If you have income from self-employment, rental properties, or foreign income, you'll need supporting documentation for those as well. You can file your taxes in several ways. Paper filing. Complete a printed version of your tax forms and mail them to the Canada Revenue Agency. This is generally slower and less efficient. Online filing, e-filing. This is the most common and efficient method. You can use CRA certified tax software, such as TurboTax, UFile, or SimpleTax, to file electronically. The software will guide you through the process, and you can receive your refund faster. Tax professional. If your tax situation is complicated, self-employed, owning rental properties, or having investments, you may choose to hire a tax preparer or accountant. The main tax form for most Canadians is the T1. The process of filling it out includes the following steps. Personal information. Start by entering your personal details such as your name, address, social insurance number, SIN, and marital status. If you're married or living common law, you'll also need to include your spouse or partner's details. Report your income, such as employment income, T4, self-employment income, from a business or freelance work, investment income, T5, other income, pensions, unemployment, or child benefits. Canada offers a number of deductions that can reduce your taxable income, such as RRSP contributions. Contributions to an RRSP, up to the annual limit, reduce your taxable income. Child care expenses. Deduct expenses for children under a certain age. Union and professional dues. Dues paid to professional associations or unions. Medical expenses. Expenses that exceed a certain threshold of your income. Interest on student loans. Deduct the interest paid on student loans. Tax credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. These credits can be non-refundable. They reduce your tax owed to zero, but no further, or refundable. You can receive a refund even if your tax owed is zero. Common tax credits include basic personal amount, a standard credit that reduces your taxable income. Canada Child Benefit, a monthly payment to help with the cost of raising children under 18. GST, HST credit, a benefit for low to moderate income individuals or families. Tuition, education, and textbook amounts. If you're a student, you can claim these credits for qualifying education costs. Disability tax credit, for individuals with disabilities or their caregivers. After applying all your deductions and credits, your taxable income is calculated, and then the appropriate tax rate is applied based on your income. In Canada, taxes are progressive, meaning the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. Federal tax. The Canada Revenue Agency administers federal taxes. Provincial or territorial tax. Each province or territory also has its own tax rates and credits. If you are self-employed, you may need to fill out additional forms, such as T2125, Statement of Business or Professional Activities. If you are claiming specific credits or deductions, ensure you include the proper forms, for example, for tuition. Before filing, carefully review your tax return to ensure that all income has been reported accurately. You've claimed all eligible deductions and credits. Your personal information, SIN, address, etc., is correct. You can also double-check for any common errors such as missing receipts or incorrect amounts. E-file. If you're filing online, your tax software will guide you through the process, and you can submit your return directly to the CRA. You can file your return anytime after the beginning of the year, usually late February, and up until the filing deadline, typically April 30th of the following year. Paper filing. If you're filing by paper, send your completed T1 general and supporting documents to the CRA office designated for your province or territory. This method may take several weeks to process. If you owe taxes, the deadline to pay is generally April 30th. You can pay through online banking. Most banks offer CRA payment options. CRA My Payment, via CRA's website. Pre-authorized debit, set up through your CRA account. Mail, via check or money order. If you're unable to pay in full, you can set up a payment arrangement with the CRA. In most cases, the filing deadline for individuals is April 30th of the year following the tax year. If you need more time, you may apply for an extension, but keep in mind that payment deadlines remain the same. Filing an extension does not extend the time to pay. Make sure to keep all supporting documents, e.g., T4s, receipts, tax returns, for at least 6 years in case the CRA requires them for verification. By following these steps, you can efficiently and accurately file your personal taxes in Canada.